Hello dear traders and welcome to the London, New York and Tokyo Forex Trading with Unique Indicator course. My name is Petko Alexandrov and I will be the head mentor in this online course. Since it's an online course, you can watch it anytime you are free, you are comfortable learning, and basically you just need device with internet connection. Today I have uploaded a free preview of the course in YouTube so you can learn the whole setup of the system. I will teach you how to recognize which is the best currency pair to trade during the stock exchange opening. So it depends where you are. If you're in Europe, you can use the London Stock Exchange opening. If you're in the States, you can use the New York. If you're in Asia, you can use the Tokyo. So depends really where you are, what is your time zone, and just take the closest stock exchange so you will have the possibility to trade during these hours. The course is based on the overnight range, which is pretty old method I can say, but I have made it a little bit modern with a couple of indicators and this unique indicator that shows at every moment which is the best currency pair to trade. Basically it shows which is the strongest at the moment and which is the weakest, and obviously we know which is the best choice of a currency pair to trade when the opening happens, and we can take advantage of this volatility and take quick trades. So this is a free preview of the course, and if you're interested to enroll to the complete premium course, you can click on the link below. With a huge discount you will have access to all of the lectures and you will have access actually to this indicator and you will receive the indicator. I really hope you enjoy the course. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. You can always write in our forum at eaforexacademy.com and I will answer you within 12 hours. I wish you to enjoy the lectures. Since decades, there are three major markets that affect the Forex market. The first one is the London Stock Exchange, the second is the New York Stock Exchange, and the third is Tokyo Stock Exchange. In this course we will show examples with the London opening, since this is the market in our time zone. This Forex system is very easy to follow and it is suitable for beginners and advanced traders. In this course I will show you live examples in few consecutive days so you can understand easily the system, and as well I will share with you a unique indicator which shows at every moment which currency is strongest and which is the weakest. And this way you will know which currency pair to trade every moment during the day. Let me know if you have any questions at any moment. My name is Petko Alexandrov, head trader and mentor at the Forex Academy, and I wish you to enjoy the course. Hello dear traders, in this course I will show you one very easy system to follow based on the London session and the volatility that comes in the Forex market after the London market is open. Same strong volatility comes after New York Stock Exchange is opened and as well after Tokyo Exchange is opened. So consider your overnight range depending on your time zone. I would like to welcome you to the course and I wish you a lot of success trading after you complete the course. And of course, as you know, I always advise my students to start with a demo account. Once you're satisfied with the result, you can try trading on the live accounts with a small lot size and then to increase your volume, but only if you're sure in your knowledge for the system. In this course I will teach you how to choose the right currency pair to trade for this system, and also I will show you a unique indicator that will help you at each moment during the day to know which is the best currency pair to trade. During the course, I will shoot as more live examples as possible. I will be using 0.1 lot size for the purpose of this course, and this is not a trading advice volume for any of the students. I will shoot the videos in few consecutive days, and I will show you profitable and losing trades no matter what the outcome of the trade is. I wish everybody safe trading, and I hope you will enjoy the course. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Cheers! Hello dear traders, it's Petko Alexander speaking from EA Forex Academy. I will begin the course with the setup that you need to have on your screen, how you need to prepare your screen. Actually, I always have in this way one of my screens because I always want to know which currency is strong and which currency is weak at the moment, and I will show you how I do that. So what I need to have are the major currencies. I have already euro, dollar, so I will add as well the cable. I will add as well the Aussie dollar, and I will need a dollar cat. I will need as well the New Zealand dollar. Let's see, where is it? So it's somewhere. All right, it's over here. So I will add it as well. And I need as well the yen, so I will look for dollar yen. As you can see, I am having 6 currencies. Basically, these are the 6 major currencies. Of course, there is some debates about dollar Swiss, but after what happened with the Swiss and the euro, we don't consider the Swiss as a major currency. Not so far, because actually after it was unleashed, I can say, from the euro, it's not any more historical data behind. What I mean is it's like building its own historical data right now, and there is no huge amounts of historical data from this time, and so we just avoid it. And it's not only us guys in the academy, but most of the traders are not looking the same way at dollar Swiss. It's considered as a little bit not certain, not sure currency anymore, and we just avoid it. There are a lot of other currencies we can trade. All right, so euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie, dollar cat, New Zealand's, and dollar yen. After that, what I do, I just separate them in 6 windows. Alright, and how I actually order them is my own way. Of course, you can change it or you can do it anything convenient to you, but basically I leave the Aussie and New Zealand on the right side, dollar cat I put up in the middle, dollar yen I put down in the middle, Aussie is up and New Zealand is down. I have my reasons. Probably, I don't know, I just got used with that. Idea is here that euro is first up, then is the pound, so basically this is the European market over here. We have the dollar cat over here, which is basically connected more to the New York opening, and as well the dollar yen, which is dollar yen. We can trade it all the time. I love dollar yen and all the currencies connected with the yen. So here is the Aussie and the New Zealand. Basically this is the Asian market. Again, I say you can change it as you wish, it doesn't matter. The idea is that on one of my screens I always have these 6 pairs to know which one is strong and which one is weak at the moment. Later in the course I will show you a great indicator for that, but first of all I want you to catch the idea. What I will do now, I will put one indicator, and simply this is the 21 EMA. So we go to insert indicators, you go to trend, and you go to moving averages, and 21, and as MA method is the exponential moving average, and I click OK, and then I would like to zoom it a little bit. Okay, and I would like to see the bars. So basically this is my template. I think I already have it actually. Yeah, it's the EMA 21. If you don't know how to do it, click right button, then you go to templates, save template, and then you write the name of the template. In this case I wrote it EMA21, and then when I click right button again and I go to template and I choose EMA21, it will be the same way, so it's much easier. You don't need to do it all over again. Of course in this case it's just one indicator, but if you have 4, 5, 6 or more indicators, guys, it will take you a long time to prepare all of the screens, and especially when you choose another currency and you need to act fast and to enter into the trade, you need to have the template. Alright, so I will add as well on the New Zealand dollar, and I will explain you what I'm doing after that. So what I do every morning, guys, I place the overnight range. Overnight range I consider from the closing of New York to the opening of London time. So basically this is the Asian session, right? But since we're in Europe, we consider that to be the overnight range. So as you can see here, this is the hour at 9. So London is opening at 10 o'clock our time, Bulgarian time. As you know, we are located in Bulgaria. So 10 o'clock is the time when London opens with us. You need to check actually with your time zone when the London market is opening. Be careful as well with the summer winter times that you won't be mistaken. And I'll go with one line above and one line below. So here is euro dollar at 9 o'clock, and then here is at 3 o'clock midnight. So basically this is the overnight range, guys. And then you can see euro is breaking above and then it's going back down. But right now we just place the lines. All right, every morning I just change them, just move them, right? Because it's different from yesterday. But in this case I will show you how to put it, and after that what we do every day is just we move it. So basically this is 9 o'clock, and this is overnight range over here, and now it's New York time. So this is the overnight range. I will show you from over here to this point of 10 o'clock. So this here is the overnight range. So I put one line below, one line above. Try to put it exactly on the tails and the wicks. So, and then I will go to dollar Canadian. I will place the lines there as well. One more time, it's different from every time zone. So you need to check first when London is opening, when the New York market is closing. No offenses, guys, to anyone from Asia. It's a great market as well, but especially for manual trading, we cannot afford to trade over the night because we need to sleep and to have some rest, of course. That's why we are trading manually during the London session, and as you know, London is considered as the currency market center, I can say, and the market is most volatile during this time. Of course it's volatile during the Asian market as well, but again I say it's night over here. We trade on the Asian market, but only with the automated strategies and with the expert advisors. So let's see dollar yen where it is. This is 10 o'clock, so basically this is where London opened, and dollar yen you can see reversed after London opened. So this is the lowest point it went, and the yen is actually pretty weak against the dollar today. And then I will go as well for the Aussie, pretty volatile Aussie overnight. So let's see, this is the lowest point over here. I will recheck it one more time, but yeah, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock, and then London open at 10 over here. So basically we have the upper line over here on the top of this bar. And then last one is New Zealand dollar. This volatility as well is over here, and then I will have the line on the upper side. I believe it's on this bar. Yeah, that's 9 o'clock, so 10 o'clock is over here. Alright guys, so this is the overnight range that we used today. Actually, I already recorded two of the trades that I had with the system today, but I will put it later on in the course because I want you to see how first we are setting up the screen, what is the system, and then I will do my best to record as many examples as possible. So that's all you need to have: the 6 pairs on your screen. Put the 21 EMA on your screen to follow the short-term direction on H1. 21 EMA is a fantastic indicator. It's included a lot of strategies. If you're a beginner, you will meet it very often to a lot of strategies because it's just fantastic indicator, guys. It shows you in a short-term direction. All right, it just shows you where the market is going right now. Where is dollar yen right now? It's going up. 21 EMA is going up. The market is going up. All right, when it's a sideways market like this case with New Zealand, you see it's just going sideways. Obviously it's not a very good time to enter, and it is actually, there are a lot of range strategies, but we are not going now on this side. What we are following with these 6 pairs is I will show you how to catch the volatility, how to catch the strongest and the weakest currency, and how to take advantage of that. All right, so basically we are using the volatility after London market is open, and I will show you in the next lecture how we identify which currency is strong and which currency is weak. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. I wish you safe trading. Cheers. Hello dear traders, it's Petko Alexandru speaking from EA Forex Academy. In this lecture I will teach you how to choose the pair to trade. This is very important, and if you learn this, and I'm sure you will be on the profitable side when you're trading manually. This is very important. It's very easy, but actually few people know to do that, and I can promise you actually that the whole point is that we have the 6 major pairs, right? So for example, when London opens, what do we trade? Which pair we choose to trade? All right, I will remove this line over here, just additional line. I don't know for what reason I have placed it over there. So these lines, as we said already in the previous video, are the overnight range before London is open. So let's say euro is going out of the range like you see over here. Okay, it's much stronger than the dollar, and euro is going up. It means euro is going up and dollar is going down, right? So in the same time we see that dollar yen is going up, which means let's have some lines to help us out. So euro is going up at what moment? It's breaking at 15, so that's 3 o'clock in the afternoon with our time, and I will place that a line also on the dollar yen. So let's say we are over here. Okay, we see euro is breaking up and we see dollar yen is out already of the range and it's going up. We see that the two 21 EMAs are confirming the move up, and I will ask you now which one you will choose. Let's ignore the movement after that. So if we are right here and you have dollar yen and in the same time you have euro dollar, which one would you choose? I want you to just think for a second and choose one for yourself. Okay, probably some of you would say I would choose, oops, sorry, I've removed the line for the overnight range with the euro dollar as well, so it's this one over here. Okay, so some of you would say I would choose euro because not too much is going sideways, then it's very impulsive breakup. Some of you probably will say I will choose euro because dollar yen before that is going very aggressively down, and I mean there are so many reasons that you can find that you would choose dollar yen or you would choose euro dollar. Okay, probably some of you would say I will go with the euro because the recent days euro is very strong, the trend on daily chart is going up, and I will confirm that's true, and it's very good to follow the trend. Let's have it a look quickly. Yes, on daily we have a strong uptrend. All right, let's have a look at the dollar yen. What is the movement there on the daily chart? As you can see, dollar yen is going down. So I would say, and as you know, I prefer the trend as well, that most of you will choose the euro because it's uptrend on daily chart, and dollar yen is strong down movement the recent a week or two. All right, but the right answer, guys, is not euro dollar and it's not dollar yen. The right answer is euro yen. All right, one more time. The right answer is euro yen. Why? Simple. Euro dollar is going up at this moment. This means that euro is stronger against the dollar, and in the same time the dollar is stronger than the yen. Okay, because dollar yen is going up, so we have euro stronger than the dollar and the dollar stronger than the yen. So obviously the best currency at this moment would be euro yen. Okay, euro stronger than the dollar, dollar stronger than the yen, so euro much stronger than the yen. Okay, I just choose these two currencies. With the time you will be able to do with all of the 6 major currencies. If you practice it, it's very easy, but you just need to understand when one is stronger than the other, and if you find at the same moment this other that is stronger than the third one, then you should go to the first and to the third one. So what I will do now, I will have a look at euro yen. Let's have a look. Where is it? I will open a new chart window. I will place it back. I will put the template that we are using for this course, and I will do as well the overnight range there, so you will see what I'm talking about. So let's see, where is the London opening today? It's right here at 10 o'clock. So actually break would be from this point over here, and the low line from the range would be just over here, I believe. Let me check it once again. So that's basically 3 o'clock midnight, and then it's 9 o'clock our time. So 10 o'clock is our time when London is opening. And as you can see, guys, what a movement in euro yen we have over here. All right, from 129.60 to 130.60. Simple 100 pips. Let's have a look now what happened with the euro. How many pips we are having on the euro? Basically we are having from 116.70 to 170.10, so this is 40 pips. Dollar yen, we're having, let's say at this moment, if we enter at this moment when we're just choosing which one to trade, if we choose at this moment, we're having from 111.50 to 111.95. So this is less than 50 pips, guys. Even if you entered from the overnight range, this is again less than 60 or just about 60 pips, guys. So you see the difference right here at this movement. This was just before the New York was opened. We had a strong volatility on the euro, and at the same time dollar yen was going up, and the best pair to trade at this moment is not euro dollar, is not dollar yen, but it's euro yen, guys, with a huge movement of 100 pips over there. All right, I hope it's clear. At every moment when you look your screen, as I told you, I have for one of my screens always with these pairs in front of me, and at every moment I know which is the best pair to trade. If you learn this, guys, it will be so much easier from now on from you, and you will be always on the right spot, always on the right pair, because there's so many, and you need really to learn which one is the proper one to trade at the moment. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions about it, don't hesitate to ask me. I will explain it further on in the course, so don't worry, you will get used with it and you will make some money out of it. Thank you guys for watching. Trade safe always. Cheers. Bye. Hello dear traders, it's Petko Alexandrov speaking from EA Forex Academy. In this lecture I would show you one amazing indicator. It's called the Forex Profit Supreme Meter, the one over here. So basically what I have teach you in the previous lecture about how to identify which pair to trade according to which pair is stronger, which pair is weaker at the moment, and to find the best choice for a trading pair. This Forex Profit Supreme Meter actually helps a lot. I will show it to you straight away. Basically I have already placed it in my MetaTrader 4. With the course you will receive it. I hope everybody knows how to import an indicator. Quickly I will tell it. So once you have it in the file, you just copy it, you go to file and then you go to open delta folder. After that you have to go to MQL4, you go to indicators, you paste the indicator, you close it over here, you go on indicators right over here, and then you click refresh. Alright, so after that you will see your indicator appearing over here. So what you need to do, guys, simply you drag it over the chart, you click on OK, and you will see this amazing thing over here, guys. I have found this indicator by a chance over internet, and it was fully for free, and I was thinking in the beginning this is some joke. I was thinking that this is not real what I was seeing, and actually took me a couple of days to believe that this is what I see, because this indicator, guys, is not lagging indicator. Okay, what I mean by lagging indicator, as you know, all other EMAs and MACD and RSI, they are based on previous price value, right, on previous price bars. This is not a lagging indicator. Basically this indicator shows you at the moment, I will place it like that, I will hide for us while the pound dollar, the cable. So this indicator shows you which currency is strongest at the moment, which currency is weakest, and where are all the other from the major currencies. Yeah, and over here on the left side you can see each pair, and actually they go from 0 to 100 on the positive side, so when they're going up, and they're going down from 0 to minus 100. So basically when you have euro yen now on the top, you can see that euro is on the top of all currencies, meaning that euro is strongest at the moment, and you have New Zealand CAD, dollar, which are weakest, right? They are, you can see that they are almost on the same level. Now yen is joining as well, but on the left side you will see exactly euro against which one of these on the bottom is the strongest. And as you can see, in this case it is against the yen, which here it's actually pretty much in the middle and not on the bottom. Yeah, so basically if you're looking just on this part, you will say, okay, euro is the strongest, New Zealand is the weakest, so euro New Zealand at the moment is the best pair to trade long, but actually the best pair to trade long is euro yen at the moment. And I will just go quickly to euro yen just to see if euro yen is really going up, and I can bet you it's going up at the moment, because I really believe now this indicator, I have been using it now for a long time, guys, and it's one of the best indicators you can have ever for MetaTrader. As you can see, euro yen is just going up, guys. I will put the template that we have prepared over here. All right, as you can see, euro yen is going up. So this indicator, Forex Profit Supreme Meter, shows you which currency is the strongest, which currency is the weakest, where are all the rest, and on the left side you can see all the pairs, which one is on the top, which one is on the bottom. So when you're having a strategy where you want to catch the strongest movement, the volatility on the market, you should be aiming for pairs that are on the top or on the bottom, and they're above at least 90 and 95 going to the 100. So as you can see, at the moment I don't have anything to sell, guys. The strongest sell would be dollar Swiss, and this is okay. See, New Zealand Swiss very quickly going down to minus 81. So basically, if it goes negative below 90, then I can be thinking about selling this currency, but this is only based on this. Okay, so this indicator shows us really well which pair has the strongest move and which pair has a good potential. Okay, and in the same time we know which currency is the strongest at the moment. I mean, I always keep on one of my screens, as I already told you, the 6 major currencies against the dollar, so at which moment I will know which one is going up, which one is going down, so I know basically where the market is at the current moment. But with the Forex Profit Supreme Meter, guys, I have a very clear view, very easy to follow, and I just know that euro is the strongest at the moment, and I know that New Zealand and Qatar are on the bottom, so I will go there, I will look for the setup, and I will enter if I have the opportunity. I'm talking now if I'm trading manually, like with my system, for example, that I show in the course Professional Manual Trading. But just put it on your MetaTrader, follow it for some times, and I'm sure you will get to use with it very quickly. I mean, I can give you a very simple example, guys. I showed this indicator to one of my students quite a long time ago, before even I was recording these courses for the academy, and he was using it only this Forex Profit Supreme Meter and nothing else. He was placing it, he was choosing the strongest, the weakest, he was going there, he was executing the trade. So for example, he would go to Euro New Zealand, buy over there. After a little, when euro is a little bit going down, he was taking the profit. I can tell you, I was following his trading for a few days. He didn't have a losing trade, guys. He didn't have one losing trade. It was amazing. I mean, I never focused on one indicator to base all my trading on one indicator, but really this indicator is a indicator that you should focus, because it's not lagging. Okay, it's not based on previous price of the currencies and the pairs. The formula behind it is pretty hard, and it's very hard at this moment for us to automate it, but it's a really nice tool to have it on your screen and to use it for any trading system that you have, because you will always know which pair is strong, which pair is weak, which currency, sorry, is strong and which currency is weak, and which pair to trade. All right, guys, very easy indicator. I will give it to you. I told you I found it free on internet some time ago, and it's very useful, and I will show you in the next video how actually I put it in the setup and what is the setup of the whole system for this course, and I will make my best to give you as many examples after that as I can. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Cheers. Hello traders, my name is Petko Alexandrov, and in this lecture I will explain you actually the system. What we are trying to identify first, as you know already from the previous videos, is that we want to know which pair is the best choice to trade, which pair to focus on. And with this system, I would not suggest you to trade more than 2 to 3 pairs in the same times, because when you're doing it manually, sometimes it's hard to follow. and you need to stay in front of the computer, and you need to have few screens, and basically it's a little bit harder, guys. So this system is a little bit, I call it, more stable, so it brings me smaller results than the automated trading, but I put on bigger volumes, and then I am trading only with 1-2 pairs. I just want to catch the strongest movement of the day. Okay, and how do I do that? I will give an example for euro dollar, because euro dollar was the best movement today and was the best pair to trade with this system, and I will explain you what I do. So I will put it on the big screen, I will zoom it a little bit, guys, and here we go. So what we need is the overnight range. Alright, as you can see, London opening was just over here at this bar, and this is 5321. So basically this is the overnight range, guys, from 170.34 to 170.63. So this is the overnight range, and right here we are at the opening of London. Alright, and I stay on H1 chart. Let's see it over there. Okay, and at this moment euro dollar is going down. Okay, and when the price is reaching to the upper line or to the lower line, I'm focusing on the pair. Okay, then I would like to enter 5 to 10 pips below the line. So if I want to go short, I would like to enter at least at 170.24. Okay, so I don't want the entry to be exactly on the line, because you will see many times, as I already said, the overnight range is important, and you will see many times the price bouncing from the overnight range, and you will be in and you will be immediately on loss. So I give it 5 to 10 pips extra. Okay, and I put my pending order 5 to 10 pips lower. Why I say 5 to 10 pips, guys? Because I always look here as well for the round numbers. If you have already watched my professional manual trading course, you will know that the round numbers are very important. So for example, if this was not 170.34, but it was 170.04, okay, and 117 as a round number is right over here, few pips below, 4 pips below, I would place my entry at 116.95. Alright, and same thing on the opposite side. So I'm varying between 5 to 10 pips depending on the round number. So I consider as well round number to be 117.50. So 50 as well for me is a round number, and a lot of times the price is reversing on these round numbers, guys, because there are a lot of stop losses over there, because there are a lot of pending orders below, above few pips, the round numbers. So we always have it in mind. Okay, so the first confirmation is the break of the overnight range, right? The second confirmation is the 21 EMA. As you can see, we have the confirmation, now it's going down. And the third confirmation is the Forex Profit Supreme Meter. In this case, I would like to see that dollar is on the top, euro is on the bottom. Okay, in order to go short. This morning, guys, I was not in front of the computer and I didn't trade the whole day because I had few things to do outside the office. And I don't know actually what was showing Forex Profit Supreme Meter. I mean, sometimes I record the screen in order to see what happened after that on the opening of the London session, but sometimes I don't do, because if I had a good trade, I'm sorry that I didn't take it and I was out of the office. And yeah, this morning I didn't record it, so I cannot tell you exactly what happened. If it was this way, I would have placed my sell stop on 170.24. And what would have happened, as you can see, the price is breaking, but it's reversing really strong, guys. Over here you can see the price reaches 170.30, not even 5 pips, and it's reversing strongly up, and you can see what a movement we had during till this moment, and it continues actually right now. So that's why I tell you 5 to 10 pips. In this case, even I place it on 5, my spread here is very tight, so I wouldn't be in, and I would not enter to the sell. Even I have all of my confirmation, you can see that the sell stop with 5 to 10 pips would save me in this case. And then when euro dollar is going up to the upper line, I'm actually looking at the upper side. All right, so what if you are over here? Is the same thing. Euro dollar is breaking the overnight range. You're looking to place your order just 5 to 10 pips above the upper line, so 117.63, 170, 70, 71, 72 would be great. So basically, guys, I'm looking at about 7-8 pips, okay, if you want me to give you more precise number. And then I have the confirmation of the 21 EMA. And if euro dollar was showing this thing 100%, I'll take the long trade, because I have all the confirmation. I have the break of the overnight range, I have 21 EMA, and I have the Forex Profit Supreme meter showing me at this moment that euro is the strongest currency and dollar is the weakest at this moment. So all shows in my direction, and I would be into the long trade.
Hello dear traders, it's Petko Alexander from EA Forex Academy, and in this video I will show you with an example where we take the take profit. So basically, once we are into the trade on H1 chart, we have the break, we enter. What we need is M15, and we are looking at the MACD. So what we are looking right now is we are looking at the bars of the MACD. I will zoom it so you will see better. So I'm in this trade GBP-yen, and then I will zoom it and I have the MACD. So basically, as you can see, these bars are almost equal, and then open, this is a little bit smaller, just a little bit smaller, but then we have an obvious smaller bar. So when the next bar open, just like it opened right now, I will take my profit and I will close the position. I have here left 2 small trades, but I took my profit over here. So what we are looking at is MACD on M15 chart. All right, the bars are going up, and then what I have is this bar that is almost equal, or is just a little bit smaller. So I'm not sure really in this case, is it smaller or is it equal? So let's say it's equal, all right? And then I see a smaller bar. All right, I wanna enter when this bar is confirmed, and this bar is confirmed when the next one is open, and I'm sure that this bar is smaller. So as you can see, the volatility is not very high anymore, and then we have a negative bar which forms the smaller bar on MACD, and then I am having the next bar on the open. I close the position. Alright, so this actually matches with the cross of MACD, but I will show you just with some example, just somewhere on the price, that the bars are much more effective and much more quicker. So if you see this movement up, if you're in this trade, alright, you can see here this bar is smaller. So I'm waiting the opening of the next one, which will confirm that this bar is smaller, and I will exit on the opening of this bar right here. All right, as you can see, the cross comes not here, but it's here, probably here, but it's a little bit of repeating, as you know, the MACD indicator. So cross would be confirmed right here, as you can see, much lower. So basically, I would have my profit on the opening of this bar, and as you can see, here is down low. So what's the difference? Let's say in this case, if you exit on the first bar that is confirmed, so it's not this one but this one, okay, smaller bar, we wait the opening of the next one, so it's right here. This is at 145.60, and if I exit on the cross, in this case is 145.47, so it's 13 pips difference, guys. That's not small. All right, And then let's go back to the live example that we had, and once again we are waiting for a smaller bar, and then on the opening of the next one we exit, we take our profit. Alright guys, thank you for watching, have safe trading, cheers, bye.
Alright guys, so these were the free lectures from the London, New York and Tokyo Forex trading course. If you're interested to enroll into the complete premium course, use the link below with the discounted coupon and you will have access to all of the lectures. You will see more examples of the trading system, how I am managing the trades once they are opened, how I move the stop loss when the trade is open, when do I place it on the entry level to exit without any losses. And as well, you will have access to the indicator and you will be able to download it and put it on your MetaTrader, and you can use it for any other system because it is really great to know at each moment which currency pair to trade. Plus, at the end of the course, I have provided as a practical activity a professional trade sheet that will help you improve your trading every time you open a trade. The course has 30-day money-back guarantee, which is great, and if you don't like it, if the system doesn't fit your trading style, you can always refund it or change with another course of mine. Once you enroll to the course, you will always have all updates of the course and you will receive personal support by me at the forexacademy.com forum, always within 12 hours. See you inside the class and I wish you a beautiful day. Cheers!